This is our Gaggia MDF55 grinder, and here's 2 ways you can clean it. Firstly, to clean the grinder without opening it up, you can make the grinder setting coarser so it removes as much coffee as possible from the blades. Alongside this, you can also use grinding cleaning crystals, which are available to buy on our website. The second way to clean the MDF55 grinder is by switching off the grinder and unplugging it from its power source. Then press in the bean stopper and remove the bean hopper. Next, turn the grinder upside down and give it a shake to remove some of the larger bits. On the back of the grinder, you'll find 2 screws that hold the top plate on. Using a T10 screwdriver, loosen both screws and remove the top plate. We now have access to the top of the burr chamber. The burr chamber is held on by 3 screws, so using a Phillips screwdriver, we'll take them out like we did the ones at the back. Next, it would be useful to mark where the bottom screw goes so that the top grinder blade goes back into its correct position. Next, you can take off the top grinder blade. You'll then see inside the burr chamber. All the coffee that's built up in there is what we need to get out. To do this, grab a brush. Here we're going to brush all the loose grinds that we can, then grab a vacuum cleaner to remove all coffee. After vacuuming, make sure the chute is clear, as this is where the ground coffee comes out from. Next, carefully clean the top grinder blade with a brush. Then all that's left is to reassemble, dial in, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching. If you would like to find out more information, then you can head to our website, gaggiadirect.com.